This is the EcoFlow DELTA Max, a portable power station with an expandable capacity for home backup or outdoor activities. Press and hold the main power button to turn on DELTA Max. On the front of the unit, you'll find an LCD screen that displays key information. Below the screen are two USB-A ports, two USB-A fast charge ports, two USB-C ports, and an IoT reset button to reset your unit's wireless connection. On the side of the unit, you'll find two extra battery ports to connect up to two DELTA Max Smart Extra batteries or smart generators. On the back of the DELTA Max, you can find a DC charging port for solar and car charging. Next to the DC charging port, you'll find an AC charge speed switch. This allows you to customize your AC charging speed, which is determined in the EcoFlow app, set to the up position for fast charging and the down position for your custom setting. To the right is the AC charging port. On the far right, you'll find an overload protection switch. In cases where the AC input exceeds 20 amps, overload protection activates to protect your unit. At the bottom, you'll find AC outlets, DC 5521 ports, car output. That's the exterior of DELTA Max in a nutshell. Need more tutorials? Head to our EcoFlow Support YouTube channel.